Welcome, brothers and sisters. I'm Groovy Kim. Hey, I'm so glad you found my channel because I'm all about learning how to heal yourself. I was very, very sick just a few short years ago when I learned that there was a possibility that I didn't have to do what my doctors were telling me to do. Now, I'm not telling you to not listen to your doctors, but what I am saying is that if you have an autoimmune disease like I did, or have something that is systemic, severe anxiety, arthritis, lupus, there's another one. All of these types of diseases that are occurring inside, meaning it's not coming from a bacteria or a virus or something that we cannot control, but is coming from internally, the things that are caused by stress. That's what I'm talking about. That's how I learned how to heal myself, and I am doing so much better. I used to weigh 234 pounds. I'm now at 128. I used to not be able to walk or hold a pen. That's how bad my arthritis was, and I couldn't even hardly move around. I was in so much pain. The doctors wanted me to cut my knees out and have complete knee replacement surgery. They also wanted me to go to the cancer infusion treatment centers and have infusion treatments for the rest of my life. And they had me injecting myself on a regular basis with drugs that were suppressing my immune system, making me worse, making me sicker, and making me dependent on the medical community for the rest of my life. I'm asking you, does that sound like a good idea? Now, I'm not saying they're bad. I'm not saying that at all. In fact, I worked for the medical community for over 10 years for a physician where I assisted in outpatient surgeries. I know all about the medical community, and they're very hard working people and very good people with good hearts. I know. I was there. But I also know that you just don't know what you don't know until you know it, if you know what I mean. And I know a whole lot more than I did then. So since I've been studying all about how to heal yourself, that led me further into my scientific studies about frequency. And I've also been studying the ancient practice of Reiki, and recently received my 3rd degree master's certificate. So with that also comes my studies of the use of tuning forks. Tuning forks can be very helpful in healing the body. Your body, after all, is an instrument. And crystals. I've also been studying crystals. So if this sounds interesting to you, please subscribe and go ahead and check out my videos. I've got lots more on this subject. I'm here to say that these techniques that I have developed in my videos really will help you, just like they helped me. All you have to do is watch the videos I've got here on the channel below. I'm living proof that I healed myself from all of those disabilities and that terrible, terrible disease they called autoimmune disease, of which they say we have no cure. Join me, won't you? Subscribe to my channel, and together we can begin this healing journey and not be subjected to all of these awful, terrible treatments and medications that can further cause you harm. I'm all about science, and I'm all about vibration, baby. That's the reason why I call myself Groovy Kim. Groovy has a vibe. When something's in the groove, that means it's vibrating coherently, and thus your body can heal. Groovy Kim is my name. Subscribe to my channel, because healing is my game. Yeah, so stick around, because when we heal together, now that's really groovy.